Are you looking for the best? Heat press machines are essential for creating custom t-shirts, mugs, and other items. They offer precise temperature and pressure control for professional results. With so many options on the market, selecting the perfect machine can feel overwhelming. Some machines cater to beginners, while others meet professional demands. List number 1, Shirts. Experience effortless heat pressing with the Tront Auto Heat Press 2. This machine heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring perfect results every time. Adjustable pressure and higher heating height make it ideal for various projects. The 15x15 heat press is perfect for t-shirts, HTV, and sublimation. Enjoy easy and efficient crafting with this reliable tool. Advantages: the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 heats up quickly for efficient use. Adjustable pressure ensures perfect results for various fabric types. Even heat distribution guarantees consistent and professional quality prints. Suitable for multiple projects, including HTV and sublimation. The 15x15 size accommodates larger designs for more creativity. List number 2, Machine for T-shirts. Create stunning t-shirts effortlessly with the Tront Auto Heat Press machine. This 15x15 smart machine offers precision and ease. Its auto-release feature ensures perfect results every time. Ideal for sublimation, vinyl, and heat transfer projects. Enjoy professional quality designs with minimal effort. Perfect for hobbyists and small business owners alike. Advantages: simplifies t-shirt printing with automatic release feature. Less hassle. Offers precise heat and pressure settings for consistent results every time. Large 15x15 inch plate accommodates various project sizes. Versatile use. Ideal for sublimation, vinyl, and heat transfer projects. Multifunctional. Designed for professionals and beginners alike. User-friendly interface. List number 3, Heat Press Machine Professional Sublimation Machine. Experience seamless creativity with the AKEY DIY 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine. Perfect for t-shirts, mugs, hats, and plates. This versatile machine offers industrial quality heat pressing. Its 12x15 swing-away design ensures easy and safe operation. Enjoy consistent results with its digital controls and precise temperature settings. Ideal for both beginners and professionals seeking quality and efficiency. Advantages: versatile functionality caters to various sublimation projects effortlessly. Shirts, mugs, hats, and more. Easy-to-use swing-away design ensures safe and precise operations. No hassle. Digital controls offer accurate temperature and time settings. Simple adjustments. Industrial quality build guarantees long-lasting durability. Reliable performance. Compact design saves space, perfect for home or small business use. Efficient setup. List number 4, Machine for T-shirts. Experience the convenience of the Tront Auto Heat Press machine for t-shirts. It offers a 15x15 heat plate with auto release. Heats up fast and distributes heat evenly for perfect results. Ideal for HTV, sublimation, and other heat transfer projects. Intelligent design makes crafting easy and fun. Advantages: fast heating ensures quick project completion. Auto-release feature prevents overpressing. Even heat distribution guarantees professional results. Ideal for various heat transfer projects. User-friendly design simplifies operation. List number 5, 2, Heat Press Machine for T-shirts. Experience effortless t-shirt printing with the Tront Auto Heat Press 2. This heat press machine heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring perfect results every time. Its adjustable pressure and higher heating height make it versatile for different materials like sublimation and puff HTV. Ideal for heat transfer projects, it offers a generous 15x15 inch surface. Create custom designs with ease and precision. Perfect for hobbyists and small businesses alike. Advantages: Efficient operation saves time and boosts productivity. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press heats up quickly, ensuring projects start without delay. Adjustable pressure settings offer customization for various materials. Ideal for sublimation, puff HTV, and heat transfer tasks. Even heat distribution guarantees perfect results every time. Versatile design accommodates different fabric types. The 15 by 15 inch surface suits large and small projects alike. Suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Easy controls make operation straightforward and stress-free. Enjoy crafting t-shirts with professional quality. Enhanced heating height expands creative possibilities. The machine's design supports thicker fabric layers. Perfect for special designs needing extra depth. Craft unique apparel that stands out effortlessly. Unleash creativity with reliable equipment. User-friendly interface promotes ease of use. Clear settings simplify adjustments for best outcomes. Intuitive controls reduce learning curves significantly. Anyone can create professional designs swiftly. Reliable performance fosters confidence in every project. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Built to withstand repeated operations over time. Invest in a dependable tool for regular crafting needs. Consistent results elevate the quality of finished products. Make memorable designs with a reliable